Okay guys, today we are going to be working with Excel again like last week, but we are going to be doing some artwork. So you're going to get on your canvas, and then since you are in 4th grade, you will click, or 5th grade, you'll have the same thing no matter what, 4th or 5th. You're going to go to Links and Games, and you're going to go down to Excel Art. We will open up the document, allow, and then like always we cannot forget to hit the enable editing button. So what we're going to do today is we are going to be making some artwork. It is your choice whether you want to do the black cat, the witch owl, the bat, the jack-o'-lantern, the creepy house. Some of them are small, some of them are a little bit bigger, like the creepy house. Might take you some more time. So we have our colors for each one. It doesn't matter if you do the exact same color that's listed here. You could do a light purple instead of a dark purple if you really wanted to. You could change this and make a blue cat. It's up to you. But what you're going to do is you're going to highlight the numbers, and then you go up to the bucket and you fill them. So purple, I would change these to purple. And as I go along, I can go one by one, or I can highlight a bunch of numbers at once. As I keep going, it will start to make my artwork. And I'm going to keep going until my whole picture is finished. A few little things. First, if you mess up, you have two options. You can hit the undo button up here, redo. Also, you can go up here and change it back to no fill if you put the wrong color. So just keep that in mind. Sorry about that. If you accidentally, it's not letting me do it right now, but if you accidentally pull the numbers to the side and all of a sudden the 1s and the 2s are over here, just again, hit the undo button afterwards. They'll move back to where they're supposed to go. Then at the end of class, we are going to go ahead and save these when your teacher tells you to. So remember, File, Save As, and we are going to save it to our cloud. Click the Save button and it will save. So that is your assignment for today. Like I said, pick any of them that you want, do one of them, do more than one of them, keep going until it is time. Be on your best behavior.